Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode, trust me, I'm a blacksmith. Forged a cream egg. It's Easter time here. If it's not Easter time now and you're watching this video, it's because you just want to see me obliterate stuff with the Massey, and that's all well and good because that's basically what this video is about, me obliterating stuff with a Massey. And I hopefully got some really good slow-mo footage of me killing this. Or killing, not this one in particular, one from earlier. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like and subscribe. Yeah, happy Easter if it is Easter. See you later, bye bye.